the language of love in free-range chickens. In the heart of villages and farms, life follows a rhythm that has remained unchanged for generations. Among the many creatures that live close to humans, the indigenous or free-range chicken, often called gavran or desi murga in some regions, holds a special place. Unlike commercial poultry raised in cages, these chickens live freely, graze naturally, and exhibit behaviors that teach us deep lessons about love, family, and community. Today, we explore the fascinating world of these free-range chickens and how their way of life mirrors the language of love, a language of care, protection, and guidance that we humans can learn from. The identity of indigenous chickens. Unlike the uniform appearance of commercial breeds, indigenous chickens are diverse in color, size, and feather patterns. Their rough, sturdy bodies are well adapted to harsh climates. These birds have lived alongside farmers for centuries, forming part of the household and the ecosystem. They are not confined to cages. Instead, they spend their days scratching the earth, eating insects, pecking grains, and returning home at sunset. These chickens are more than food sources, they are companions, teachers, and protectors. The cock, a guardian and guide. The cock is not merely the leader of the flock. He is a guardian, a guide, and a provider. Early in the morning, his crow announces the arrival of dawn, waking both people and animals. But beyond this symbolic role, the cock actively guides his hens. When he finds a grain of food or a patch rich with insects, he does not eat first. Instead, he clucks and calls out to the hens, inviting them to feed. This act of selflessness shows us the first lesson in the language of love. True leadership is about caring for others before oneself. He also protects the hens fiercely. If a predator like a kite, snake, or dog approaches, the cock raises an alarm and often risks his life to defend the flock. His courage and sacrifice mirror the protective instincts of a husband or father in a human family. The hen, a mother's care. The hen is one of the greatest teachers of love and responsibility in nature. After laying eggs, she patiently incubates them for 21 days, rarely leaving the nest. She sacrifices food and comfort, sitting for long hours, warming the eggs with her body heat, waiting for the miracle of life. Once the chicks hatch, the hen becomes their world. She teaches them how to peck, how to drink, where to find food, and where to hide from danger. When she clucks softly, the chicks come running. Tharu, Rai, Danuwar, Maga, Nepali and other language people in Udayapur district likes to keep local chickens for eating and sacrifice purpose.
itu tadi ya.